everyone, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel by subscribing, by sharing my videos, okay? Or if you have already subscribed, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the support, guys. So in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box, okay? So the pick a card for today is what miracle is coming your way, okay? So we are going to do the good stuff today, okay? So let's see. So we have three groups over here. So the first group is six of spades. For group number one, we have six of spades. For group number two, it's queen of pentacles. That means queen of diamonds. And for group number three, we have ace of spades. So relax, close your eyes, connect with yourself, and then select the card that calls to you, okay? Remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. The timestamps will be provided in the description box, okay? So yeah, take your time, relax, meditate for a few seconds, just let go of all the worries and then select a group that calls to you, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna go with group number one. Group number one, so how are you? I hope you're doing good. Okay, so let's see what miracle is coming for my group number one. So we have six of spades. So I feel for many of you, you are moving away from a situation that was not good for you. Mentally, you are moving away. For some of you, you might be moving away physically also. So definitely moving away from a situation that was not serving you, end of a situation that was not serving you, end of a mental conflict, feeling better. If you were feeling very anxious about a situation, that anxiety is gonna go. You're gonna, for some of you, it might be like accepting that and moving on from it. So yeah, the mental conflict, if you're mentally struggling, I see there is a calmness coming. You will be better. Okay, so that's what. And for some of you, if you're planning to relocate, yeah, definitely you will be doing that also. So what miracle is coming for my group number one, whoever chose six of spades? I'm getting the word harmony. For some of you, it's harmony coming. Wow, change in the wind. Okay, definitely for some of you, if you were feeling very stressed, this stress period is now over. You will be feeling very relaxed. Maybe your situation, if you were feeling maybe if, for example, if you were not feeling so great about your health, there will be little bit progress there. And if you wanted to travel somewhere, you will be able to do it. For some of you, a situation might change. Okay, something is changing, and that will be because we are doing a miracle reading, so of course this change will be very positive and you will be feeling happy about it. So you are moving away from this mental conflict you have right now. Mentally, you're going to be you will be feeling very good, okay? And for some of you, definitely changing houses, relocating, traveling can also be possible, okay? So let's see what else. And this change is going to make you very happy, I feel like that. For some of you, maybe you're relocating somewhere you always wanted to. Maybe you always wanted an end of a situation, and finally the end of this situation is coming. Maybe you wanted to quit a job and you will be quitting it and moving on to next one. So something you're leaving behind that was not serving you, and you will be very happy to leave that behind. That is what I feel like. It will be like a miracle. Maybe you wanted to quit a job and you were like, when will I get the next job? Or you were overthinking about it. Suddenly you might get an opportunity for relocating, or you might get a new job, so you can quit this old job and move on to new one, or something like that. That will make you happy. Okay, so that will be like very unexpected also. I feel like that. But definitely the tension, the stress is going to go. Yeah, look, travel, guys, travel. With this chariot also, you're going to move to somewhere, and it will be very unexpected. I feel like that. It will be like a miracle. Yeah, moving. It's all about travel, you know. Definitely travel is coming your way. You never thought that you will be able to travel to this place, and suddenly things might be good. You know, sometimes things align for us. I feel for you guys, that is what's going to happen, and you're going to move. you're gonna move forward in your life. Maybe if you thought that you will be always like not feeling good mentally, suddenly you will feel very good about yourself, and you will be doing the things you always wanted to do, right? For some of you, relocating to a new job, new home, moving forward in life, not thinking, not, not taking your past with you. You are finally releasing your past, and you will be like surprised, wow, I did that. Now I don't, for some of you, I feel like you will be forgiving other people, and you're like gonna move away from them, and it will make you very happy. So mentally you are going to be very peaceful, guys, and I can see that is the miracle. And for some of you, definitely relocating to somewhere that you always wanted to. Love yourself first. Playfulness. Okay, with this love yourself first, I am seeing that you're going to love yourself more. Okay, with the Six of Swords energy, you're leaving your past behind. You're leaving, sometimes we are in this guilt that we didn't do enough for other people, or we are not enough, we are not worthy. You're just leaving that back. You're loving yourself. So self-love is like, you never thought you will be, sometimes in the past we never think that we will be able to love ourselves, we will be able to accept ourselves. You are going to do that. You're going to accept yourself the way you are, and when we accept ourselves, things align for us, right? That is what I'm feeling. You are accepting the two parts of you, the shadow part as well as the good part, the bad and the good part. As human beings, we have both sides, right? I'm not saying about that, we have that shadow side, isn't it? And but in the past you were not able to accept that. Now you're accepting yourself, you're loving yourself, and I'm seeing that you are also changing that. If you have some behaviors that are not good, you might be changing that. You might be improving yourself. The thing you don't like about yourself. If you were feeling not so confident about yourself, you will be like trying to be trying to do things that you never felt like doing before, something like that. It's about you that is shifting. It's about your perception about life is shifting. You're getting more playful. You're having maybe in the past you used to always think, over stress, and not enjoy the moment. Now you will be like enjoying every moment of your life. You will be happy. That's what I feel. And when we are happy, we do crazy things. We dance because we will be feeling so happy that we can enjoy every moment when we feel happy. That is what I feel for you guys. You're loving yourself, and when we love ourselves, that is when love arrives, right? So a lot of changes mentally, spiritually. I see that you're changing your perception about life. You're loving life. So it's all about your mentally, you're shifting. Your vibration is getting high. I feel like that. What else? Okay, for this is like, if you were suffocated in a marriage, if you were feeling like you had to do this marriage because of other people, or you were not fully, you were not so satisfied in this marriage, you were not getting anything in this marriage, you're breaking free from that. So for some of you, that can be the thing. You're moving away from this person because you were feeling trapped in this relationship. So for some of you, is like breaking ties with the person, breaking divorce. Maybe you always wanted to divorce and you were not able to do that, and finally you will have the courage to do that, and you will be feeling free. This is the miracle. That is like finally loving life, because you were so trapped with this person. You were not happy, and when we are not happy, we feel suffocated. We feel like we are living for other people. Now your miracle is that you will be living for yourself. You will be doing the things you always wanted to do, because in the past you were not able to do, because you were like trapped. You were like, you had so many responsibilities, you couldn't live your life. Maybe this person was toxic, maybe this person was controlling you, and you didn't want to do that. And finally you're breaking free from this relationship. You have the courage to break free from it. You're moving away from this commitment that was this is a commitment that was making you feel trapped. making you feel like in a jail where you cannot be yourself. Finally you're moving away from this thing, and that is your miracle. So that is what is like moving away from things that was not good for you, and loving life, enjoying life. That is what is your miracle is. Okay, group number 1. Maybe it can be a career also, that was a lot of responsibilities, you're moving away from that. It can be toxic family members, it can be anything, a situation that was trapping you, and finally you're moving away from it, and again you're enjoying life, and that is a miracle. Wow, group number 1, finally good times are coming for you guys, I feel. Yeah, again Chariot. Oh my god, look at that, you're moving away, you're like this lady boss, or you're like the boss energy where you will be in your power. You are driving this scooter, and you know where you want to go, and you're gonna go your own way, where your heart leads to you. Okay, so if you want to go this way, you'll be going this way. If you want to go that way, you'll be going that way. You're not taking other people's direction anymore. Wow. What else for my group number 1? Yeah, Queen of Cups energy. You're gonna love yourself. You're loving your I feel from your these all, your past has taught you a lot of things, I feel like that, and you are taking that lessons with you. That is what you have done, a lot of internal work, also shadow work. You're accepting your shadow work, you're trying to change it. And with this Queen of Cups energy, you're loving yourself, you're taking care of yourself. There is a balance, mental and emotional balance is there. You're going to be very happy and satisfied with yourself. If you're a mother, don't worry, you will be able to give the love to your children also. Sometimes when children are involved in a marriage, it's difficult, but I feel you will be able to give that love. They will love you. Okay, so you don't have to worry, enjoy life. You're such a kind-hearted person. Okay, yeah. I feel like that. So, but yeah, you are gonna be happy. I feel like that. That is a miracle. Wow. You're breaking free from all your responsibilities that was not even yours. You were taking other people's responsibilities, and now you're like, no, I cannot do it. You're taking stand. Kindly, you're taking stand. You're not going to argue with anyone. You're going to state your facts. I'm getting. You're loving yourself, and that is. And you're gonna love life again. You're gonna be like, yes, like that childlike energy I'm feeling. You're gonna love yourself, enjoy life, because you were trapped somewhere. Yeah, we have fairy guides. Whenever you are feeling blue, don't fear, the fairies are protecting you. Wow, you're so protected, guys. Yes, you're moving away from this relationship, you're moving away from this career that was not serving you in any way, that was bad for your health. You're moving away to a life that you will be loving. You will be doing your, for career, I feel you will be following the passion. For some of you will be traveling, you're relocating to your dream house. You're moving away from toxic family members. Complete change. But the thing is, like, you will be loving your life, you will be loving yourself, and that is what I feel for group number 1. I feel very happy because for you guys, I feel you will be feeling very happy in the future, because maybe for some of you this is like your dream to get out of this, and I'm sure you will be. Okay, things are gonna align for you. So yeah, that's all for group number 1. Bye bye, take care. Hello group number 2. If you choose this Queen of Pentacles, that is Queen of Diamonds, then this is your reading. So let's see what miracle is coming for my group number 2. Okay. I feel you're removing your mask. That is your miracle. You're showing your true self to others. You never thought that you would be able to do it. I feel like that. You're showing who you are, what you want from life. You're saying your truth. You're removing the veil I'm getting here. Like removing that, showing your face, showing yourself. And with this Queen of Pentacles, I feel financial needs will be met for you guys. If you are struggling financially, financial needs will be met for you guys. Family life and financial balance will be there. Okay, I'm getting that. And you're going to speak your truth. That is what I'm getting. Okay, so let's see what's for group number 2. Okay, visualization. So for some of you, if you have been visualizing about something, that is going to manifest for you guys. That is what I'm getting. Okay, with this Imagine card, if you have been visualizing, meditating, like visualization, meditation, and you have been visualizing about something, that is going to come true for you guys. That is what something is manifesting, something you were visualizing, something you were like trying to manifest in your life, that is coming true. You have been dreaming about this thing. Yeah, it's gonna come true. Finally, the universe is giving you that, because I feel your energies are also correct. You know, you are also in that high vibration where you'll be able to receive this blessing. So definitely, something is coming that you have been working on. Okay, yeah. Oh, we have 9 of Pentacles. Okay, so if you have been working on yourself, on your beauty, or growing hair or something like that, that is manifesting. Maybe you were trying to lose weight or gain weight, something about yourself. If you were working on confidence level or money, you know, if you were working on your business or your career, it will give you a lot of fulfillment. I'm getting with this 9 of Pentacles. Money wise, things are going to be very good. If you were manifesting money, then a lot of money is coming your way. Okay, a lot of success. If you are like a home business, or if you do something like freelancing or something like that, maybe you will be getting a lot of opportunities that will give you a lot of income from different sources. Yeah, that is what I feel like. A lot of opportunities to make money is coming. We have this Queen of Pentacles also here, right? And it's also it's like wealthy card. We have Pentacles. So yeah, money wise, I feel money is coming your way. I have to say that for you guys, if you have been manifesting money, definitely money is coming. A lot of beauty is coming your way. You're going to be glowing, attractive. You're going to make mature decisions. Okay, that is what I feel strongly for you guys. What miracle is coming for my group number 2? Okay. Group number 2, what miracle is coming their way? Okay, free yourself, forgiving and learning. It's safe for you to love and make the effort. Okay, so yes, you're freeing yourself from all the past things. You're learning. You're not. I feel with this 2 cards, you're freeing yourself from the past. You're moving towards a better future. You're not holding any grudges against anyone. You're learning from your mistakes, and you're not going to repeat that mistakes. Okay, you're letting go. You're letting go of the things that is not serving you. And for some of you, with this visualization also, you're learning to let go. I feel like that, because when we are visualizing, when we are manifesting, the important part of that is to let go and not over stress. So you're doing it the correct way, I'm getting. So yeah, that is why I feel like if you have been visualizing something lately, definitely that is going to come in fruition, and it is about something about your confidence, your business, or your career, your money related. It's definitely gonna come. I feel like that. Okay, so you're learning something from the past, and you're not gonna repeat the same mistakes. You're learning from your past mistakes and moving towards a better future here. Okay, and it is safe for you to love, make the effort. Okay, for some of you, I'm getting a new person is coming your way, and you know that, or maybe you're manifesting this person. If you're manifesting, or maybe you have met this person, and your angels are telling to make the effort to show yourself, to show your true self, to make the effort. If you know this person, it's time to go and say that you like them, something like that. It's time to do that because it's safe for you to love. It's safe for you to love again. If you had failures in your past, you have learned a lot. You have freed yourself from the past, and that is also a good thing, right? You're completely free for freeing yourself from the past. You have forgiven yourself, you have forgiven other, and you're moving forward. And when we move forward, that is when new beginnings come in our life, right? For you guys, it's like a new start. And for some of you, if your marriage, if in your marriage you had problem, you might be resolving that. Okay, you are like, sometimes what happens, we hold on to past resentments, and because of that we have problems in our marriage. For you guys, I feel like that you are freeing yourself from that past things, and finally a renewal in your marriage is also happening. You're making the effort, and it's safe for you to love. And for others of you, definitely new person is coming, and you know that. For some of you, you know that this, who is this, so it's time to make the effort. It's safe for you to love. They're giving like, it's safe, just go ahead with it. And if you haven't met this person, I feel like someone is gonna come for you guys. But for some of you, you need to make that effort also. You need to put yourself out there, okay, if you want to meet someone new, right? That is also important. You can't sit at home and think that when will this person come. You need to make that effort, right? You need to go out or put yourself out there. And one more thing is to speak your truth. I feel like this is the thing. You will be speaking your truth. What do you want from a relationship? Be clear with that. You'll be clear. I feel like that. If you are not, be clear what you expect, right? That is also important here. But I feel this person will be very good. Like, this person will be the one you actually want. You know, you will have that attraction. I feel like that. For group number 2, what miracle is coming? Oh, judgment. Your angels are with you. Page of Wands. For some of you, a new opportunity regarding career is coming. Just go on, take it. Okay, that is like, maybe for some of you it's your oh look, we have Queen of Pentacles in as the back of the deck card. Like, so yeah. So whatever you're gonna do in your career, it will give you the money. That is what I feel like, that even if it's your passion, you will make your money, you will make your coins. Okay, for some of you, you are getting a new opportunity or a news about a new opportunity. Maybe you will be getting news about some collaboration that you always wanted to do. Just take that, because it will give you a lot of happiness, and you will be able to pursue your passion. Yeah, so just yeah, so something creative is coming, something new, some new ideas are given by the divine. Take that new ideas and work on it, because it will be very successful. And yes, the universe is working for you guys. They are with you. They are working on your manifestations. So things are like behind the scenes. It will manifest for you guys. If you're manifesting money, definitely I see that is happening. A lot of money coming, a lot of love. Wow. So let's see what else for my group number 2. What miracle is coming for group number 2? Official person. Okay, maybe for some of you, if you are waiting for a proposal from someone, maybe that is going to happen. Or for some of you, you are going to get into a higher position in your career. Okay, if you have been waiting for that, if you have been manifesting that, you might get that. And I feel your status, your work is going to be recognized. People will be giving you respect. That is what I'm getting here. Yeah, we have mature man. Okay, so for some of you, there is a person coming who is like, can be a mentor who will be helping you in your career. Take advice from this person, because this person is like a blessing to you, because he will be giving the advice you always needed. And for some others of you, this might be an older person who will be coming into your life, and they will give you that love you always wanted. Okay, so maybe maybe this person is older than you, more mature than you. Okay, and for some of you, you're getting the recognition, you're getting the status you always wanted to. Your work is going to be recognized. You're getting the pay you always wanted to, something like that. Recognition, honor. Or maybe for some of you, you are getting a higher position if you're working somewhere and you always wanted that high position, you're getting that. If you have been visualizing about that, you're getting that, and that will bring you a lot of more income, right? That is also I'm getting. And for some of you, a lot of knowledge. You might be reading a lot of books, you're getting a lot of knowledge. For some of you, you might be traveling somewhere. Yeah, or maybe you're meeting someone who is very knowledgeable and they will give you like different ways, different ideas to work on your business or on your career, and that will be very beneficial for you guys, and this person will be very helpful. Okay, so for some of you, there is this person, there is a teacher. So yeah, this person is going to make you learn so many things. So just for your career, I feel like that they might be helping you. So take that advice from them. Don't ignore it. Okay, so yeah, the last cards. What miracle is coming for group number 2? Flowers. Flowers will brighten up your space and create a fairy friendly place. Okay, with this flowers always donate to happiness. So happiness is coming, a lot of smell is coming. For some of you, like a lot of good smell. For some of you might be receiving flowers, right? And yeah, if you like flowers, buy some flowers for you, decorate your space. You will be feeling very happy. Do that also. I feel like that. For some of you, definitely you are gonna receive some flowers, or maybe a flower emoji that will make you happy, some message, or real oh, we have this Valentine's Day is coming, like maybe you might receive some flower. That can also happen, but definitely I see a lot of money coming your way. That might be a miracle. Status coming your way. If you were not being recognized, you'll be recognized for your work. Your ideas will be recognized. Someone is helping you here. There is like a mentor coming your way for some of you, and definitely a lot of love. You're ready for love. So put yourself out there, because I feel many other people want your attention also. You're glowing with this 9 of Pentacles. You're glowing. You're like transforming yourself. You're like very attractive people also. I feel like that. Okay, so yeah, that is all for group number 2. Bye, take care. Hello group number 3. If you chose this Ace of Spades, then this is your reading. So let's see what miracle is coming your way. So for group number 3, I'm getting the message like, the miracle is like sudden clarity about something. Your questions are being answered, like sudden realization that will give you answers, and because of that you will be feeling very relaxed. Okay, so yeah, have faith in the universe. You will be like, I feel you will be having a lot of faith in the universe, because you're gonna see the magic of the universe. This pile will see the magic, and you believe in magic. Oh, union, 2 of Cups energy. For some of you, you're meeting your soulmate. Oh, we got Ace of Swords again, right? So yeah. So yes, you know who this person is. For some of you, you'll be meeting your person. A new start is coming, a new beginning is coming. For some of you, you might grow your business, collaboration in your business. For some of you, definitely with this 2 of Cups, you might be meeting your soulmate, and this relationship will develop. You'll be marrying this person or something like that. And for some of you, definitely there is a realization that is happening for sure. We have Ace of Swords here, we have Ace of Swords here. So definitely a start is coming, a new start is coming, a divinely guided idea is coming, or you already have that idea. Take note of that idea and move forward with it, because this will give you a lot of success in your life. A lot of success is coming your way, a lot of happiness is coming your way. Okay, that is the miracle, a divinely guided idea, an inspiration that will change your life. I'm getting that. And definitely, if you are already married, your relationship will be growing more. You will be understanding each other more. And for some of you, collaboration with a friend can happen. Okay, unexpectedly, maybe other companies will want to collaborate with you. Finally, your energies are coming together. If you have been feeling stuck, finally things are going to be coming together. Things are going to move. Okay, if you're feeling stuck right now, if you're feeling that things are stagnant, if you're feeling that things are not moving in a relationship or in your career, things will move. Things are gonna move. Okay, because of this realization, things are gonna move up. Okay, don't worry. Okay, what miracle is coming? Oh, message in a bottle. Okay, for this, I feel you are seeing like a lot of signs. Take note of that because your angels are giving a lot of symbols, a lot of signs you're saying, a lot of signs you have been given. Okay, so trust it. Whenever you see a sign, just Google it. Maybe in your dreams you're seeing a lot of signs, symbols. So take note of that because you're getting a lot of messages, okay, a lot of signs. And for some of you, a call is gonna come, a message is going to come, an email is going to come, that will be a new opportunity about something. So don't miss that opportunity because yes, a new opportunity is coming that will make you give you a lot of happiness, or a call, a text message, something is coming. Okay, open your eyes to that. Okay, what else? Okay, your stress, if you have been stressing lately about something, you have been overthinking about, I feel you will be feeling very calm, very relaxed because of this message. If you have been waiting for something, that is gonna happen. If you have been waiting for a letter, for an email, it will come. I feel like that. Okay, for some of you, that is what I feel. Message, if you have been waiting for a message from someone or a letter, something like that, you will be feeling, you will be motivated again. I'm feeling like that. If you have been feeling stuck, that stuck feeling is gonna go. Okay, a lot of ideas are coming your way, a lot of inspiration. Okay, group number 3, things are gonna speed up for you. I feel like that. What else? Oh, this could be the one. Okay, for some of you with this 2 of cups energy, definitely you're meeting someone new and this will be the person you will be meeting, then you will be marrying this person, something like that. You know, this relationship will take off. I feel like that. If you're single and you have been connecting with someone lately, maybe this can be the one. Okay, and this will be like this person will give you a lot of happiness. That is also I'm getting here. So yeah, you're gonna meet the one or you have already met. Okay, so just one more card. Oh, this is your soulmate, calling in your soulmate. So if you have been manifesting a soulmate connection, yes, this person is gonna come in your life. And with this 2 of cups, what I have to say, right? If you have been manifesting a person in your life, definitely this is gonna come, guys. Okay, so this is a new start. This will give you a lot of happiness. Yeah, and for others of you, things are coming in balance. If you have been feeling very stressed lately, things are gonna be in balance. Okay, family members are going to come together. I feel like that. If there have been arguments in your family, things will be resolved. That is also I'm getting. And if you're feeling very stuck in your career, things will change. For some of you, a new opportunity will come that will make you give you a lot of happiness. You're gonna get out of this period of like overthinking, stress. Okay, things are gonna move. Okay, yeah. And for some of you, definitely this is a soulmate connection. And if you have been talking to this person, yes, this is the person. Okay, and if your intuition says right now, if you're thinking about this person, yes, this is the one. Okay. Okay, yeah. So let's see what else for group number 3. What miracle? Oh, again. Okay, for some of you have started dating. I feel like that if you might be dating this person right now, and these things will take off. You know, you're gonna go. If you have been dating this person right now, things will speed up. Okay, maybe they will propose to you. Okay, something like that also I'm getting here. Yeah, maybe you will move in together. Okay, I don't know, maybe you'll marry and move in together, or maybe you will move in together, or maybe you know. So that is what I'm getting here. So yeah, things are gonna speed up for you guys in your love life. Maybe you will travel together somewhere. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, I got these 2 cards. Look at that, death and the sun. The endings, you know, the death card is like the endings, a rebirth, a new you, right? For some of you, you might be getting pregnant also. I'm getting that also. The end of the past. You're not taking your past to, the past is now over. You are getting over your past. You have left your past. Now you're moving towards the sun. You're moving towards growth. You're moving towards happiness. The sun is gonna shine. You're moving towards joyful times in your life. No more stress, no more anxiety, a lot of stability is coming your way, right? So yeah, things have ended for you guys. A lot of emotional ending I'm seeing, but you have overcome. You're overcoming it, and new start is coming in your life. For some of you, it's like getting pregnant. Okay, for some of you it's like marriage. For some of you, growth in your like loving yourself again, things coming back together, happiness, lot of fun times are coming for you guys, okay, with the Sun card. Yeah, what else? You are on the right path. Okay, for some of you, if you have been stressing whether you're on the right path or not, I'm feeling like that. You're for some of you, you are working on something, or maybe on a project or something, maybe on your career, or maybe you want to make your hobby a career, and you have been working, but things are not moving fast for them. They are, your miraculous, the guides are saying, the spirit guides are saying you are on the right path, the fairy guides are saying you're on the right path. Don't stress, keep on moving forward, things will align for you. The sun, you're gonna see the sun. If you're feeling stuck right now, if you're feeling anxious right now, don't overthink about your situation. You are on the right path, okay? You will get that idea, you will get that clarity. Ideas are coming your way, a lot of love is coming your way. Things are gonna come together, like collaborating with business, different people, or maybe business collaborations, something like that I'm getting. But for some of you, you might be moving to a new home that you want to move into, like a dream home or something. Yeah, things are gonna align for you, things are gonna come together for you. Don't worry guys, don't worry, don't think that I don't know. I feel like some of you are thinking, though, no, nothing will come for me, and I'm manifesting, but nothing is getting manifested, right? Like that kind of energy where you're feeling. Don't think like that. When you think like that, that is when your manifestations take more time. So believe in your manifestations and have faith in the universe, and remember, you're on the right path. You're going good. Okay, this is where you have to be right now. Okay, you're at the correct time, correct, right? You're at the right place. Okay, you are good. Okay, this is what your angels are saying. You're good, you're okay. Keep on moving forward, things are gonna be good. The sun is here, right? Okay, bye bye, take care, group number 3.